Welcome students to the online GK classes for class 7th. This is chapter famous autobiographies. That is chapter 31 of your syllabus. Now, first of all, we should know what is autobiography. Let's start. An autobiography is a self-written account of the life of a person. Means if someone is writing his own story, his own experience about himself or herself, then we can say that compilation of self experience is autobiography. Okay, now can you identify the following autobiography written by these famous persons? We have got some books, some autobiographies for which we have to write the names of writer. Okay, so which are the books? So books, first book is My Experiments with Truth, second book is My Days, third one is Fall of Sparrow, fourth one is Confessions, Straight from the Gut, Autobiography of a Soul, Autobiography of a Yogi, My Own Boswell, Mein Kampf means My Struggle, Anti-Memoirs, Daughter of the East, and Tunnel of Time. The Tunnel of Time. Okay, these are the autobiographies for which we have to write the writers. Okay, now we have got the names of person in clue box so that we can say which which book has been written by वो पर्सन. ठीक है, किस बुक ने, किस पर्सन ने कौन सी बुक लिखी है ये हमको बताना है. तो ये बुक्स हैं. अब मैं पर्सन के नाम बताता हूँ. पर्सन के नाम क्या हो सकते हैं? जैक वेल्च, परमहंसा, सलीम अली, महात्मा गांधी, सेंट ऑगस्टाइन, सेंट थेरेस ऑफ लिजरेक्स, आर के नारायण, आर के लक्ष्मण, Andre Marx, Adolf Hitler, M. Hidayatullah, and Benazir Bhutto. These are the person who have written what previously shown books. Now, so these are the books, and these are the books. Okay, and these are the writers. We have to narrate these, we can say match column 1 to the column B. कौन सी बुक किस राइटर ने लिखी है वो हमको बताना है. So we have written these two columns in one page. So you can see these two columns simultaneously together. Now let us match. So my experiment with truth, my experiments with truth. Who has written this book? Yes, it is written by Mahatma Gandhi. We all know Mahatma Gandhi, so it is very interesting book. And so this book is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Second one is My Days, that is written by R.K. Narayan. Fall of Sparrow is written by Salim Ali. Confession is written by Saint Augustine. Straight from the Gut is written by Jack Welch. Autobiography of a Soul is written by Saint Therese of Lisieux. Autobiography of a Yogi is written by Paramhansa. My Own Boswell is written by M. Hidayatullah. Mein Kampf, My Struggle is written by Adolf Hitler. Anti-Memoirs is written by Andre Marx. Daughter of the East is written by Benazir Bhutto. And The Tunnel of Time is written by Mom R.K. Lakshman. Okay, so these are the matches which we have seen on the screen. So please read once or twice so that you can get clear cut idea. My Experiment Truth is written by Mahatma Gandhi. My Days is written by R.K. Narayan. Fall of Sparrow is written by Salim Ali. Confession is written by Saint Augustine. Straight from the Gut is written by Jack Welch. Autobiography of a Soul is written by Saint Therese of Lyrics. Autobiography of a Yogi is written by Paramhansa. My Own Buswell is written by M. Hidayatullah. Mein Kampf, My Struggle, Adolf Hitler, Anti-Memoirs, Andre Rex, Daughter of the East, Benazir Bhutto, The Tunnel of Time is written by R.K. Lakshman. Okay, now, so let us see some famous autobiographies. We have got some more autobiographies. Let us see which are they. Long Walk to Freedom. This is famous autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, and is written by whom? Is written by Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela is a very famous figure of South Africa. He is regarded as a Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa. Okay, like Mahatma Gandhi has played very important role in the freedom struggle of India. Similarly, Nelson Mandela has done a lot of similar things in South Africa. Okay, now second is Dreams from My Father. Dreams from My Father is written by whom? Barack Obama. Again, Barack Obama is who? Barack Obama. Do you know Barack Obama? If you know, please write in comment box. Okay, I help you in relating Barack Obama. Barack Obama is related with USA, United States of America. So please write ये कौन है, इनके बारे में आप कमेंट में लिखिए. ओके, नाउ third one is The Last Lecture. The Last Lecture, again The Last Lecture is written by Randy Pausch. Randy Pausch, ठीक है. Okay, now On Writing a Memoir of the Craft. On Writing a Memoir of the Craft is written by Stephen King. Stephen King. Okay, these are the additional autobiographies which I told you. Now, did you know what? What did you know? This is one picture. ये किसकी पिक्चर है? Selma Lagerlöf. Selma Lagerlöf. She is from Sweden. Sweden is a country. And what is the capital of Sweden? Do you know? Write in comments. Awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1909. 1909 में सेल्मा लैगरल्स को नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला है. किसका? लिटरेचर का. आई नो, आपको नोबेल प्राइज़ पता होगा. ठीक है. शी इज़ फर्स्ट वुमेन टू रिसीव नोबेल प्राइज फॉर लिटरेचर. ओके, so you should know this, you should learn this. Now thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Bye bye.